Finding a compact and beginner-friendly keyboard that delivers quality sound at an affordable price can be a challenge. Welcome back to my Auto MT channel. The RockJam 49-key keyboard piano aims to solve the problem by offering a lightweight, portable, and feature-packed instrument designed for beginners and young musicians. With its 49 full-sized keys, built-in demo songs, piano note stickers, and access to Simply Piano lessons, this keyboard is more than just a toy. It's a fantastic learning tool for those starting their musical journey. But is it worth the price? Let's break it down in detail. Design and build quality. One of the biggest selling points of this keyboard is its compact and lightweight design. Measuring small enough to fit on a table or be carried around easily, it is perfect for children or anyone looking for a space-saving keyboard. The build quality feels solid for the price, though some users have mentioned minor issues like the battery door not snapping shut properly. Fortunately, this seems to be an easy fix with proper alignment. While the keys are slightly smaller than a standard piano, they are still comfortable enough for both kids and adults to play on. Some users with larger hands have mentioned that it takes a little getting used to, but for a beginner-focused keyboard, this is not a deal-breaker. The inclusion of piano note stickers is a thoughtful touch, helping beginners quickly identify notes and learn proper finger placement. Additionally, the included sheet music stand makes it easier to follow along with lessons or practice reading music, adding to its usability. Sound quality and features. For a keyboard in this price range, the sound quality is surprisingly decent. It may not match the richness of a high-end digital piano, but it performs well enough for beginners and casual players. Some users noted that the default volume is quite loud when turned on, so you may want to adjust it immediately upon startup, especially if you're in a small space. The keyboard features a variety of instrument tones, rhythms, and demo songs, allowing beginners to experiment with different sounds and get creative with their practice sessions. While it may not offer advanced functionality like weighted keys or professional-grade sounds, it provides plenty of fun and learning opportunities for new players. One of the standout features is the Simply Piano lessons included with the keyboard. This step-by-step learning program is an excellent tool for beginners, making the learning process more structured and interactive. Combined with the note stickers, it makes learning piano much easier, even for complete beginners. Portability and power options. Another great feature of the RockJam 49-key keyboard is its dual power supply options. You can either plug it in using the provided power adapter or run it on AA batteries, making it incredibly versatile. Many users appreciate this feature, especially parents who buy it for their children's practice sessions while traveling. One customer mentioned that they purchased this keyboard for their 9-year-old to practice while out of town, and the batteries lasted well over a week without needing replacement. This makes it an excellent option for those who don't want to be restricted to playing near an outlet. User experience and performance. For beginners and children, this keyboard is a fantastic starting point. It's easy to use, has enough features to keep learners engaged, and provides a simple way to explore music. Many parents who purchased it for their kids reported that their children love playing with the demo songs and experimenting with different tones. Some also mentioned that their kids stayed interested in learning longer because the keyboard is fun to use and not overwhelming. However, advanced players or those looking for a realistic piano experience may find it lacking, as the keys are not weighted and the sound quality is basic compared to higher-end models. That being said, this keyboard is not designed for professionals. It is a learning tool and a fun way to introduce music to beginners. Pros and cons. White heavy checkmark. Pros. Heavy checkmark, affordable price, great value for beginners. Heavy checkmark, compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. Heavy checkmark includes Simply Piano lessons and note stickers for learning support. Heavy checkmark, dual power supply options, plug-in or battery-powered for portability. Heavy checkmark, decent sound quality for the price. Heavy checkmark, fun built-in rhythms, demo songs, and tones for experimentation. Crossmark. Cons. Crossmark keys are slightly smaller than a regular piano. Crossmark default volume is loud and needs to be adjusted manually. Crossmark sound quality is good for beginners but not professional grade. Crossmark. Some users had issues with the battery door not closing properly. Final verdict. Who should buy it? If you're a beginner looking for an affordable, easy-to-use keyboard, the RockJam 49-key keyboard piano is a fantastic option. It provides everything needed to start learning, including a power supply, sheet music stand, note stickers, and Simply Piano lessons. It's also an excellent choice for children, as the smaller keys, built-in demo songs, and fun features keep young learners engaged. Parents will appreciate the portable design and battery-powered option, making it perfect for travel or practice anywhere. However, if you're an advanced player or looking for a realistic piano playing experience, this keyboard might not meet your needs. The lack of weighted keys and basic sound quality make it more suited for casual learners than serious musicians. Overall, this is a great beginner-friendly keyboard that offers solid value for money. Whether you're buying it for yourself, a child, or someone looking to start learning piano, the RockJam 49-key keyboard is a fun and functional choice that won't break the bank.